can make a picture of us from the top.
Somebody take that picture and download it.
Where are you? I decided not to do it. Yeah.
Sucker! I stayed up here on the level. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're a smart man.
You know what? If you see anybody selling gloves, let me know.
Did you lose yours?
I left them back there, I think. They might be in my luggage, but I think I left them in the room. I have no idea where I am. It's a beautiful town center, plaza, surrounded by buildings, none of which sell gloves, by the way. People 10 feet deep all the way around. Nice hotel. Beautiful shop. None of which sell leather gloves. Just interesting. And I don't even know the name of the town I'm in. Humidity is such that just walking around on this cloudy day, it's cloudy goes, but the humidity is such that just walking around the plaza, I'm sweating like animal. There's motorcycles sitting over there. We just pulled in here, took up as much of the street as we want. Nobody said a word. Some folks are in the hotel having drinks. We're going to pull out of here in about 5 minutes.
Are you okay? Have you fallen?
Lunch stop on Tuesday.
Yes, I fell, but
Hi, Maggie.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Frankie.
Jeremy. Kevin.
buenos dias.
Hey, buenos dias. And the other half of the group is over here.
Oh, that is nice and cold. Oh, gosh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my.
Oh, there, yeah. Now.
Cassava? Cassava.
Can I get some? I'll go for you. I'll go for you.
Cassava. Oh, that's the potato stuff.
Just put a couple
Water?
scoops on it.
See.
Easy.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh,
My luck.
your slide goes right here.
There'd be rice from there.
I love tomatoes.
Guess everybody. Oh, there's so much tomatoes up there anyway.
Thank you. For when I have blood pressure, I take bourbon with hydrochlorothiazide.
This is lunch.
Basically water.
This is lunch. Let me tell you,
This morning,
this is beyond comprehension, this food.
I had to pee. It's just decreased dramatically. Yesterday, you know, normally every day, every stop, I'm
Thank
finding
you.
a baño because that's just what it's supposed to do, you know?
They have salt in everything.
Oh my God.
I wonder what your pressure is.
And after lunch, sitting out here, that is one tree. Can you believe that? That is one tree. My goodness. Maybe it's a bunch of trees. It could be like one big old tree to me. This is our group. Sitting out here just relaxing after lunch.
Born woman.
Oh,
Yeah, as opposed to,
Yeah, I look like a friend who knows you.
yeah.
I suspect that fella goes in there a lot.
Yeah.
No one even glanced at him.
Yeah, which I thought was lovely.
Do you still enjoy doing these tours? When I went by, I said, hello.
Nope.
To him,
Yeah.
and then he goes, hello.